Discover the unexpected acne-fighting power of broccoli. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Broccoli, often relegated to the status of a simple side dish, harbors secret acne-fighting capabilities that go unnoticed. Its rich nutritional profile makes it a powerhouse in combating skin issues, offering more than just a boost to one's daily vegetable intake. The nutritional profile of broccoli is a boon for those with acne-prone skin. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients essential for maintaining healthy skin. This green vegetable can be a crucial component in the fight against persistent acne breakouts. Vitamins in broccoli, particularly vitamins A, C, and E, play a significant role in acne combat. They work together to repair skin tissue, protect against skin damage, and reduce the severity of acne outbreaks. This makes broccoli a valuable ally for clear skin. Broccoli is also rich in antioxidants, which are vital in preventing breakouts. These compounds help in neutralizing harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, and thereby preventing the inflammation that can lead to acne. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of broccoli can have a profound effect on acne. By reducing inflammation, broccoli helps in minimizing the appearance of red, swollen breakouts, making it a natural remedy for those seeking clearer skin. Discovering sulforaphane in broccoli has been a game-changer in the fight against acne. This potent compound activates detoxification enzymes in the skin, targeting the bacteria responsible for acne and reducing skin inflammation. Broccoli's high dietary fiber content plays a critical role in detoxification, which is essential for maintaining clear skin. By promoting the elimination of toxins and regulating digestion, fiber helps minimize the buildup of substances in the body that can trigger acne outbreaks. Zinc, an often overlooked mineral found in broccoli, is crucial for acne reduction. It aids in controlling the production of oil in the skin and possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which can significantly diminish the appearance and severity of acne. The hormonal balance is vital for acne management, and broccoli supports this balance by aiding in the regulation of hormones that can trigger acne. Its nutrient-rich profile supports the liver, helping to regulate hormones naturally and reduce hormone-induced breakouts. Broccoli's high water content is not to be underestimated when it comes to fighting acne. Proper hydration is essential for flushing out toxins and maintaining healthy skin. Including water-rich foods like broccoli in your diet can help ensure your skin stays hydrated and clear. Incorporating broccoli into your diet can significantly enhance its acne-fighting benefits. Start by adding it to salads, soups, and stir-fries. For those who prefer it raw, dipping it in hummus or a light yogurt-based dip can make a nutritious snack. Broccoli sprouts are believed to be even more powerful than mature broccoli in combating acne due to their higher concentration of sulforaphane. Including these sprouts in your meals could provide a potent boost in your fight against breakouts. The way you cook broccoli can impact its nutrient profile, affecting its acne-fighting properties. Steaming is the best method to preserve its vitamins and antioxidants. Overcooking by boiling can lead to significant nutrient loss, diminishing its benefits for your skin. There's a growing interest in broccoli oil for topical acne treatment, though its effectiveness is surrounded by myths. While it contains beneficial components, there's limited scientific evidence supporting its direct application on the skin for acne relief. Broccoli also plays a crucial role in maintaining gut health, which is essential for preventing acne. Its high fiber content supports digestive health, promoting the elimination of toxins and resulting in clearer skin. Integrating broccoli into your daily meals can thus contribute to a healthy gut and, consequently, reduce acne flare-ups. The intricate dance between stress, diet, and acne often leaves individuals seeking solace in quick fixes. However, incorporating broccoli into one's diet introduces a natural combatant against stress-induced breakouts. The rich nutrient profile of broccoli supports the body's resilience against stress, making it a pivotal part of a stress-reducing diet. Navigating the world of dietary recommendations can be daunting, but the daily intake of broccoli for acne prevention is surprisingly straightforward. Aiming for at least one serving of broccoli a day can kickstart the skin's healing process, thanks to its dense nutrient content. This simple addition to meals ensures your skin receives the support it needs to fend off acne. Creating a balanced diet with broccoli at the helm goes beyond just managing acne. It's about nurturing overall skin health. Introducing a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains alongside broccoli ensures your skin is armed with the antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals it needs to glow from the inside out. The skincare industry is catching onto broccoli's benefits, leading to the emergence of innovative broccoli-infused products. These offerings promise to deliver the vegetable's powerful antioxidants and vitamins directly to the skin, providing a new frontier in topical acne treatments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.